Let's create. I'm going to show you how to cook some Puerto Rican style beans. This one are going to be cans, it's not going to be dry. So I'm going to show you how to do this one with the canned version of the beans. It's very easy. So we're going to go natural, okay? Natural. One thing you're going to do with these beans, if you took the can option, you're going to wash them. You're going to get out that water that came in the can, the salt. You know, just throw some water and drain it out, okay? That's how you're going to do. So let me heat this up. First thing first, let's put a few drops of extra virgin olive oil, like a teaspoon. Let me heat it up a little bit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some sofrito. I made this one a while ago, lasts me a long time. Link in the description how to prepare the perfect sofrito, which is a cooking method. This consists of, peppers, sweet peppers. You're going to have garlic, onions, and you preserve it so you don't have to go through other stuff, you know? Look at this baby. Nice, it's so nice. Let me reduce the heat a couple notches above medium. Second thing I'm going to add, which is optional. This is what I call ají dulce de Puerto Rico. This is a Puerto Rican sweet pepper. You don't need it. This is just optional because this is already in the sofrito. But I have some that froze and preserved. Link in the description because I live in Virginia. I don't live in Puerto Rico. So they're hard to find. So when I found it, I just preserve it. Let me add it there. See, it looks like paste. Optional, right? Tomato sauce, but I have a ripe tomato which I grated. I like it natural. I don't like to use that sazon from the packages because you have artificial dyes and colors. I don't want that stuff in my body. So what I do is I get a little bit of turmeric. Little bit is about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Same with smoked paprika. I go smoke. If you don't have smoke, go regular. And some coriander. I'm thickening things a little bit. Just thicken it a little bit, huh? I like to add some garlic. 2 teeth, I mince them. Didn't need them for real, but I like to add that extra garlic anyhow. I have pieces of pumpkin. You can use squash. Make sure you leave the peel on so it doesn't break all over the place. About half a potato or small potato. Just add it there. Mix everything up. This is optional. This is some salted pork fat. If you have a piece of fat from a steak and you cut it, preserve it. That's what I'm doing. You could add it earlier, but I'm going to add it now. Added that nice meat taste. I had 2 cups of red beans. Oh, look at this baby. Look at this beauty. And because it's canned, it's not going to take a long time to cook. Another day I'm going to do it with dry beans and show you how to prepare those. But sometimes you deal with hurricanes and stuff like that, and the best thing you have is a local with some cans. That works. You have cans, just use them. Save you time. If not, go with it rice and I'll show you another time how to prepare that. I don't want it that thick, so I'm going to put a little bit of water. You can also use some broth or stock, but I'm going with the water. How much water you put is how soupy or stewy you want them, okay? So let me make it a little bit soupy. I don't like it too soupy, but I'm going to do that this time around. Now, come this salt. This is what you do. You do the taste first. You feel that needs salt, and this one does. Just add it to your taste, okay? Because how this broth is going to taste now is how it's going to taste when it's cooked. Hey, you know what? That's a little bit. I had 2 cups, so I added more than. That's it, right? Mix it up. Got this about a notch above medium. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover this baby and I'm going to let it cook. And I know they're ready. And occasionally I'm going to stir them because I don't want them burned. And what, you know this ready, you're going to get a little, when the potatoes and the pumpkin are soft, that tells you that this is going to be ready. Because these beans are already soft because they are from can. Otherwise, you would have had to check the beans too, okay? What you're going to do now, you're going to cover up and let it cook.